Auto Round. In this task, we utilize an auto round to create rounds on a complex model. Disable all datum display types. From the Engineering group, click Auto Round from the Rounds Type drop-down menu. Edit the convex radius value to 1 if necessary. Select Same for the concave radius value if necessary. Select the Scope tab and observe the options. Click Complete Feature. The auto round will take a few moments to generate. Select the auto round from the model tree, right-click and select Edit Definition. Select the Exclude tab. Press Ctrl and select 4 edges to exclude. Click Complete Feature. The auto round will take a few moments to generate. Drag the insert indicator directly before the auto round feature. Select Sketch 1 from the model tree, then click Extrude from the Shapes group. Edit the depth to 15. Click Complete Feature. Right-click the insert indicator and click Cancel. Click Yes. Notice the auto round has encompassed the inserted feature. Select Auto Round 1 from the model tree. Right-click and select Convert to Group. Click OK. Expand the local group, Group Local _ Group. Right-click the local group and select Ungroup. Notice that the auto round has been converted to a series of standard round features.